Welcome to another episode of Dirty Dane Thrifts. Today we're going to be checking out an electric typewriter. How's it? So this is the Brother AX-8. Here's the top. Here's the side. With here's the back, and this is where you can put the cord when you're not using it, which is pretty neat. There's these girls for some reason, and the sticker. So here's kind of a look inside of it. Really not sure what that thing in the bottom is. It's like a spool of maybe extra letters or something. It's I don't really know what it's doing in there, but whatever. So here's the keyboard, and yeah, let's give it a little whackety whack and see what it sounds like. Okay, well, that's what it sounds like. So this is the typewriter doing a little demo where it kind of, probably tests out every key somehow, and it's kind of cool to see a typewriter typing by itself. Yeah. And as you can see, I typed it on staff paper because I didn't have blank paper. Hooray for being ready for things. Oh, let's wind that out of the spool. Oh, here we go. Oh, cool. The top part that says D hello I did earlier. Yeah. It does say word out correction, which is the key there, you can see, but it just kind of whacks at the thing, at the letters, and doesn't really seem to get rid of it, but maybe it used to. Yeah. Typewriters are cool. Well, thanks for watching.